Astrophysicists and biologists around the world say the same thing. We find ourselves in a golden age of the search for extraterrestrial life. Today, technology allows us to look far beyond the solar system and even analyze the chemical composition of the atmospheres of distant planets. This means that we can know for the first time whether there is life not only in the form of simple bacteria, but even intelligent beings. NASA officially formulated its goal: to find irrefutable signs of life, biological or technological, beyond Earth. It could either be ancient microbial life on Mars or technosignatures on exoplanet planets that orbit other stars. The Perseverance rover discovered a strange rock on Mars containing organic carbon and unusual minerals that on Earth are associated with life. These finds were made in Jezero Crater in a site called Chiava Falls. This isn't direct evidence that there was once life on Mars, but potential biosignatures, signals that could indicate ancient microbes, have already been detected. NASA emphasizes, "We didn't find life, but we found signs that are quite characteristic of past vital activity." To confirm this, you'll need to return the samples to Earth and study them with the most powerful equipment. And that's not fantastic at all. Samples collected by Perseverance are scheduled to be returned to Earth in the coming years. But Mars is just the beginning. NASA and its partners are focusing on the subglacial oceans of Jupiter and Saturn's moons. There might be oceans of liquid water lurking under miles of ice there, and where there's water, there might be life. Europa, Jupiter's moon, is one of the hottest spots. Perhaps the vast ocean beneath the thin ice is connected to minerals of rocky crust, creating the energy needed for life. NASA is sending a Europa Clipper mission that will be able to analyze these conditions in the coming years. Titan, Saturn's satellite, is a whole world with an atmosphere, rivers, and lakes made of methane and ethane. It may have conditions not only for liquid water, but also for other forms of chemistry that we don't yet fully understand. Enceladus, another Saturn moon, may be shooting jets of matter out of the subglacial ocean into space, and those jets have already been analyzed in search of organic molecules. NASA is not just limited to our system. We've already confirmed over 6,000 exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, and many of them are potentially habitable. NASA is also looking into technosignatures, possible traces of technological activity. For example, unusual light signals, radio signals, or even city lights on the night side of the planet. In the coming years, NASA and other agencies plan to. Bringing the samples back from Mars to Earth would change everything if they found confirmed biosignatures. The Europa Clipper will explore Europa's ocean and could detect evidence of the environment's habitability right now. Next, telescopes, such as the Nancy Grace Roman and the Future Habitable Worlds Observatory, will search for atmospheric signs of life on planets around nearby stars. NASA says, "This is the greatest question humanity has ever worked on, and we have a real chance of answering it in the coming decades." Imagine, literally in 10 to 20 years, we'll be able to look at worlds where not only water, but also traces of life can be detected by telescopes. New data from Mars could confirm that microbes used to exist there. Satellites of icy worlds could discover oceans where life might have evolved in parallel with our own. And exoplanets can help us answer the question: are we alone in the universe? It's not science fiction. It's real, basic science that's unfolding before our eyes right now.